Do you have a move coming up that you're not excited about because of all the stress involved with moving? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 steps to prepare for your next move here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field and someone who's moved fairly recently. And I know that moving is one of the most stressful things that we do in our lives. So why not come up with some ideas for how to make it a little less stressful? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So we're going to give you 5 steps to help you prepare for your next move, to make it a little bit easier, a little more organized, and a little less overwhelming. Sound good? All right, here we go. First step, review things before you pack. And let's face it, if you are getting ready to move, that is a great opportunity to get rid of clutter and other things that you've either outgrown, you've used up, or you just don't need anymore. Why do you want to waste time, energy, and money packing up and moving those types of things? So instead, have lots of large trash bags at the ready. Black for trash, white for donations, because you certainly don't want to mix those up. But going through and getting rid of things before you move makes it a lot easier to move to your next place. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to clients' homes and seen a room like a basement or storage area full of boxes that clients have told me, oh yeah, those are from our move. And it might have been 5 years ago. It might have been 10 years ago. Sometimes they tell me, yeah, we just keep moving these boxes. We've actually moved a couple times and we've never opened the boxes. We just keep moving them. Why? Go ahead. This is your chance to have a clean slate. You're moving to a new place. Now's the time to streamline and only take the things that you really care about that are serving your current life right now. So that's step 1, review before you pack. Here's step 2, pack by area and prioritize. So think about where things are going to go in your new home rather than where you're keeping them now. Because a lot of times we can change the location when we move. Now, some things are not going to change. The things that you use in your kitchen, you're probably still going to use in your kitchen. But for example, if you currently have books in several rooms in your old house, but your new home has a room that has enough storage for all your books, then go ahead and gather up the books in your current home from all the different rooms that they're in and pack them together because they're going to land together. So identify the things that you need right away for each room and put those things together. And you want to write something like open me first on those boxes and make sure you label the box with the room name on them always. But this ensures that when you are ready to start unpacking, that you have the most important things available right away because, sometimes we're exhausted and we're not necessarily going to unpack everything all on the same day. So prioritize the stuff that you know you're going to need sooner than other things and put those in those open me first boxes. That will really help save a lot of time and stress when you're ready to unpack. Let's go to step 3. Let people know. All right. To me, this is always one of the most stressful things is how do I make sure I've tied up all my loose ends and being able to have people contact you, whether it's your family or friends or the people that you have to pay bills to. It's all important. So make a list of all the people and places that send you postal mail and make sure that you notify them of your new address. So here's some examples. Your employment, all your employers, credit card companies, banks, investment companies, insurance companies, whether it's your life, health, auto, any type of insurance you have, all your doctors, your dentists, veterinarians, don't forget about those animal friends of ours, your attorneys, your accountants, voter registration, the IRS, Social Security Administration, any government agency that you're involved with, places where you have a membership card, schools, houses of worship, any magazine or newspaper subscriptions. And then it's a good idea to just draft an email that you can send out en masse, just one big email announcement to your family and friends that says, hey, we're moving and here's our new contact information. Don't forget also to fill out a change of address with the Postal Service so that they can catch all the loose ends that you still may have forgotten. Step 4, create your must-have kit for the car. So this is big for me too. I want to make sure I have my creature comforts, my most important stuff. I don't want to put onto a moving van or a moving truck. So every person should have a 24-hour bag that's got a change of clothes, pajamas, toiletries, medications, and if you're with younger children, a favorite toy or a game. You want to have all your essential items in the car, not in the moving truck, especially those medications and toiletry items. Other things you might want to carry in the car: paperwork for the moving company, laptop, computers, tablets, those kind of electronics that you are using constantly, any important documents or sensitive documents, any jewelry or other valuables that you just don't want to put in the truck. Just have them with you in the car. Now let's talk about step 5, first day priorities. Ideally, you'd want to unpack one room at a time, just to be systematic about it. And you want to put things away as soon as they come out of the box, instead of piling things on the floor or other surface areas. You don't want to make an obstacle course for yourself. And of course, when the boxes are empty, flatten them and stack them and recycle them. If you don't need them anymore, return them if you were renting out boxes. But please flatten the boxes, because an open box, a built box, it is going to take up a lot of space. So you want to have as much space for your belongings as possible. So let's collapse those boxes. Even if you want to keep them, they don't need to be built once they're empty. Now, if you're not able to unpack a whole room on the first day, at least get through these initial steps. So the first one is make everybody's bed so they can go to sleep that night, unless you're going to have like a camp out where you're all going to stay in one big room. Hang up the shower curtains and unpack all the bathroom toiletries. Get all the food and beverages and drinks into the kitchen, whether it's into the pantry or into the refrigerator. And of course, the key task is make sure that you've put toilet paper, soap, and towels in every bathroom, because let's face it, you know, that's going to happen. And we definitely want to be comfortable there. So that's it. These are the steps that we want to take to help our move be more organized and less stressful. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.